I have a Halloween haul from the Dollar Tree. I found some new spooky cute goodies. I found this rub-on transfer decal. I did pick up 3 of these because it was a must. I had to have 3 because one just wouldn't be enough. Gray to black shades. I like it. Very cute. So I picked up those. I also picked up some gift sacks. Do you see this? I love the pattern on this one. I was thinking I'm going to cut out the little squares and use them on journals and such. I want to cut these out and use it as an ephemera for my journals. Look, it's going to be excellent. I can make gift tags. I can do all sorts of goodies. I also found this greeting card. It says, "It's time for disguises and fun and surprises. It's time for some tricks, treats, and frights. It's time once again to wish family and friends the happiest Halloween nights." I want to keep it just like this for my journal, and then I want to make the moon glow. You know, I have to add my own touch. I like the hat too. The hat kind of has a shine on there, and then his clothes also has a pattern that shines. It's kind of hard to tell, but look. Oh, let's see. Maybe I can catch it in the light. See there? I like it. I got 2 of those. Oh, and I'm so happy. Look, I found the pencils. I've been waiting and waiting. I was able to find it at only one store. Now, why? I don't know. I don't understand. So I picked up 2 of each pattern. So here's one. We got the orange pencil. And then this one has like spider webs, but it's in a rainbow color. And then I don't exactly know how this one works into Halloween, but it's purple with like bright stars. And then we have the jack-o'-lanterns on the end. You see there? I like them. And then I also picked up this pattern. So I picked up this one. I really should have grabbed another one, but that's okay. After I found this one, I was like, I need to go and make myself something with it. You see that? It's the same pattern. I like it. And then maybe I can make like some journals for my trick-or-treaters. I can do like, I don't know, maybe a tag or a book or something. And I can attach the pencil to this. Oh, nice. So and then we have the stripe. And then you have ghosts. And then this one on the end is moth. Gray and black moth. This one is full of surprises. You got eyeballs. You got fangs. And this one has words. And then you have the bright stripes. So what does this say? I can't read it. Let me see. Let me open it. I even like the eraser. See there? It says, oh wait, maybe. I think it's supposed to say boo, but they cut off the B. And then, I think that's supposed to say keep it real, pretty weird, treat yourself, fright night. It's a little hard to see all the wording, but that's all right. We get the idea. I like those. So yeah, I got those. And then I also picked up this one. So there are 4 packages of pencils. So keep a watch out for those. And this is the gray with the black bats. And then this one's has texting on there. Again, it says boo. Oh goodness, I don't know what else it is. Anyway, I can see it says boo. And then you get the check. And then this one has the, look at that, how cute, a ghost on there with some candy and some bats. I love it that they were able to put colored erasers on them. Let me check the other one. Look at that. Isn't that neat? You know, sometimes you only get like white erasers or black erasers. This time they did colorful ones. I like it. I'm happy I found my pencil. I was a little worried for a moment. I also found this book. I bought 2 of them because one is for my library and one is going to be a journal making item. It says Immortality, a love story. Isn't that awesome? It's by Sana Schwartz. Oh, yeah, don't let me repeat that. You know, I love the book itself. So look at that. It's a brain. Oh, I'm undecided. Should I make it for Halloween or I want to save it for Valentine's Day? I don't know. One of them. Or maybe that's a Dana. It could be a D. D-A-N-A. What does it say? $19.99 in the USA, $25.99 in Canada. If you were to pay regular price, that is. So it says Anatomy, a love story. It's a gothic romance. Hazel Sinnett is alone and half convinced the events of the year before. The immortality, Beecham's vial, were figments of her imagination. She doesn't even know if Jack is alive or dead. All she can really do now is treat patients and maintain Hawthornden Castle as it starts to decay around her. When saving a life leads to her arrest, Hazel seems doomed to rot in prison until a message intervenes. So, if you want to know the rest of the story of this love story, you need to pick one of these up. I picked up that book. I walked, around the corner and I found these. Look, I am going to have some cute fuzzy socks for the Halloween season. I picked this one. It's got orange. I don't know what the pattern is. It's difficult to tell. Maybe it's a spider web. Look. It could be. And then this one is bats. So I'm going to put one of these on. And then I'm going to sit down and read this. Because it makes an excellent Halloween book. But then again, if you want to do like a morbid Valentine. The last few items I picked up, of course, I want to show you. I know I'm kind of stuck on that book, am I? So these are skull model. Now they have another iridescent container. It's like a pail, and it's got the lid is the part of the brain itself, your skull, But I like this one. I think this one is going to work really good for my idea. The facial structure of the skull, it's more defined than the other one, so I went ahead and picked it up. So this is like a brownish orange. Maybe I should say like a rust color. It's not really orange. It's on the brownish side. See, hold on, where's my socks? So here's my sock, right? You see how bright that is? And then this is more on the darker shade. I like it. So I got the rust color, and I also picked up the gray one. And it also comes in a clear and a purple one. But I went with these two colors. I like this. Nice. I'm happy with that one. And then, guess what? I had to pick up this one again. It's the Stacking Skull Tree. I really liked the DIY project I did on the last set, so I went ahead and picked up another one. If you have not had a chance to take a look at my DIY, you should. I like this. I'm happy with my new containers and my books. I know, little things make me so happy. Like these pencils, I'm so happy I found my pencils. Not too often you find or meet someone that loves Halloween pencils. Yeah, I'm that person. Oh goodness, I like this. I'm happy with everything that I found at Dollar Tree. My Dollar Trees are a little bit behind. I don't know, maybe it has to do with all the shipment. But I'm waiting for my harvest to get put on the shelves. So far, I only found one store that had the Christmas bonus items. But I found one item that I might pick up. I'm not sure yet, but I kind of have to think about that one. But I will keep check, and hopefully they will put out the harvest items so I can pick up some new goodies for harvest. I have not seen the new stuff is what I'm trying to say. The stuff that they have on the shelves at the other stores are like leftovers from last year. So I'm hoping that they will get that done for me rather quickly. I hope I was able to show you a few items that you may want to catch before they sell out. All the party favors for Halloween they're putting out. I was able to find the pencils at one store, so I'm pretty sure my other stores will go ahead and catch on and put theirs out too. Thank you for stopping by, and I will see you next time, and have a happy Halloween.